This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Elaine Veazey. Impeccably renovated and move-in ready, this elegant villa is located in the sought-after Whiskey Creek Village Green 55+ community, ideal for luxury downsizers and seasonal residents seeking refined, low-maintenance living. This spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence with an attached 2-car garage offers a thoughtfully designed open great room layout that blends comfort and sophistication. A welcoming screened entryway leads to a formal dining area and an expansive 30+ foot tiled and screened lanai, providing tranquil views of the community pool and bocce court, perfect for relaxed outdoor dining, entertaining, or enjoying Southwest Florida sunsets. The designer-updated kitchen features white shaker cabinetry, granite countertops, a curated tile backsplash, open shelving, breakfast bar, and generous pantry space, delivering both style and functionality. Luxury vinyl plank flooring extends throughout the home for a seamless, modern aesthetic. The owner's retreat is generously sized and includes dual sinks, a walk-in shower with new glass enclosure, 2024, and 2 spacious closets. Recent enhancements include accordion hurricane shutters, 2024, and additional attic insulation, 2024, offering comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. A sizable laundry room with storage and folding space provides direct interior access from the garage, an added convenience for everyday living. Whiskey Creek is an established, golf cart-friendly active community known for its mature landscaping and premier Fort Myers location. Residents enjoy proximity to premium shopping, upscale dining, RSW International Airport, top-tier healthcare, and downtown River District, with easy access to the Caloosahatchee River and the Gulf of America. The community is also home to the semi-private Whiskey Creek Country Club with an 18-hole golf course, with a newly renovated clubhouse and restaurant, making it a haven for an active yet relaxed lifestyle. Offered as is. An exceptional opportunity for those seeking lock-and-leave convenience, quality renovations, and a prestigious location. Schedule your private showing today and enjoy effortless Florida living. For more information, review the details.